If you are given this data to add up, to add 3 plus 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 5 plus 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. How fast will you add them up? What trick will you use to ensure that these numbers are added up in a split second? What if I tell you that it's because of data like this that algebraic expansion became a useful aspect of mathematics? What if I tell you that instead of adding 3 plus 3 plus 3, since 3 plus 3 plus 3 occurs 6 times, we can actually say 3 times 6 can give us the addition of this. And we can actually add that to what? Again here, 5 times 6. What if I tell you that you could actually break that down to make it more simpler? Instead of multiplying 3 times 6, added to 5 times 6, 6 here is common to both of them. We actually bring that out and add 3 plus 5 inside the bracket. When you do that, you could actually have 6 multiplied by 8. 3 plus 5 gives you 8. What if I tell you that that is 48? That it makes it easier to put them in brackets than to go ahead and expand them and add them like this. What if I tell you that there are more examples like this that you could do on a daily basis? What if I tell you that we could try more examples? We could try 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times, and 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Here we'll have 3 times 3 like we did in the first one. Here we'll have 3 times 5. Added together, we have 3 times 5. Here we'll have 5 in 5 places. If you look at these two, 3 is common to both of them. We could bring out 3 and add 3 plus 5. These two, 5 is common to both of them. We could bring out 5 and add 3 plus 5. We'll bring out 5, then add these two. The way it is now, there's a plus in between them. You could take this, and this to become 3 plus 5 multiplied by this and this are the same. You take 1, 3 plus 5. This is how you get, if you multiply this, you have 64. Let's try that. How to multiply this? Two options. You can actually add these two together. Add these two together. Here you have 8 times, here you have 8. That gives you 64. There's another way of doing it that I need to show you that will lead us to actual expansion of algebraic expression. If you have to expand this here will multiply this. It will also multiply the next one. This will multiply this. It will also multiply the next one. If this multiply this, it gives you 9. Then if you multiply the next one plus, it gives you 15. If this multiplies this, it gives you 15. If this multiplies this, it gives you 25. Now let's add all together. This and this will give you 30 plus this will give you 55, right? Plus 9, we have, that is 14, plus 1 plus 5, you have 64, right? I'm trying to show you that this, when you see something like this, a plus b multiplied by a plus b, is not magic. It actually came from data like this. That mathematics itself is applied every day of our life. All right. Having established this, I want to show us the main reason for today's video. How can I expand this kind of brackets? How can I expand this kind of brackets? How can I expand this kind of brackets? Having showed us how they actually applied in everyday use. For the first one, if we want to expand a bracket b plus c, just like I said in our practical example, a will multiply b plus a will multiply c. A plus b is like saying 6 times 5. That gives you ab plus a times c give you ac. That's that. Next one, we have a plus b squared. Squared means you do it twice. A plus b bracket a plus b. Here, a here will multiply a to also multiply b. B will multiply a to also multiply b. Let's do that. If a multiply b here, it's like saying 2 times 2, because a and a here, they are the same. That gives us what? 4. How did that happen? 2 times 2, there's a power 1 here, there's power 1 here. Normally, every number has a power 1 if we don't have 2 and above written as a power. So what we do is, when we multiply numbers that have the same base, we take one of the numbers and do what? We add the powers, 1 plus 1. That will give us 2 raised to power 2. And that is equal to what? 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. The same way, if you multiply a times a, the power here is 1, power here is 1. We'll take one of the a's and do what? Add the powers. That will give us 1 plus 1. We have a to be equal to what? A raised to power what? 2. So we'll multiply a here times a here. From this arrow, we'll have a raised to power 2 plus. Next, a will multiply b to give us ab. Then b will be the next to do the multiplication. B will multiply a will give us plus ab. B will multiply b and follow the same practice here. B times b power 1. That gives us 1 plus 1, 2 plus b squared. So a plus b squared will give us this. And it's not finished. You see this and this, they look alike. They are the same. So our expression becomes a squared plus this will give you, we have 2 of these. ab plus ab, an orange plus an orange gives you 2 orange, 2ab plus b squared. The last one we're going to look at, we have looked at this. We're going to look at what this will give to us. We want to look at what a squared what a minus b squared will yield. This is equal to a minus b plus bracket open a minus b. Here again, this will multiply this and also multiply this. This will multiply this and also multiply this. Let's do that. A multiply a will give you a squared raised to power 2 minus b times plus b here minus b, a multiply a will give you a squared. A will multiply minus b give you minus ab, right? Minus b here multiply a here give you minus ab also. Minus b multiply minus b. This power operation here minus. When you multiply on that minus, it becomes plus. B times b give you b squared. That is equal to a squared. These two are the same. Minus ab gives you minus 2ab plus b squared. This gives you, therefore, a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is an introductory class. We are going to take more practical examples in our next video.